Previously on Losing It, the wait is over.
No! Over your head! Over your head! Come on, Andre!
There's just so much you can do and no more. When you're in a situation where you're required to demonstrate fitness, and you have been doing that your whole life, and you realize now that there's something that turns your world upside down, it's hard.
Our beach trip wasn't exactly what the contestants had in mind, but you know, we always do things a bit different. What do we have planned for them this week? No laughing matter. This is Losing It, the wait is over.
Work it, make it, do it, makes us harder, better, faster, stronger. Work it harder, make it better, do it faster, makes us stronger, more than ever, after our work is never over. Work it harder, make it better, do it faster, makes us stronger, more than ever, after our work is never over. Work is never over, doing work is never over.
We're halfway through and the contestants have done a lot and they've lost a lot. But before we get into that, let's see how they've been getting on.
Alright, so today we're going to do some circuit interval training, right? We're going to use the stairs, we're going to use the bar for clean and press, and we're going to interval right here with some alternate knees.
This week we did a little more intense workout. We added more reps with less rest time.
The training, I switched it now to more circuit interval training. So we utilize the field a lot. We did some tire flips, we did the stairs, we did a variety of different stuff, and the interval was just walking around the field, you know. So I think that is working well because it shows me their weak point, their weaknesses, and it also showed me their potential, you know, what they could do more of. All right, so Andre, start on the stairs. We're doing 5, up, down, that's 1.
The workout this week was good actually. My trainers amped it up a bit. We're doing different stuff from what we were previously doing, so that is good.
Remember, bend the knees and get it all the way down, up over your head.
The clean and press wasn't bad and the high knees wasn't bad, but the stairs was a killer. But you realize the slower you walk up the stairs, the harder it is. You just have to just run it up and get it over and done with it. So in the long run it was okay, but it was rough bad.
All right, reach, good. All right, good. That's 2.
The steps is a killer. I'm used to doing it, but at that point in time, when we were doing it, we were supposed to do it at a particular pace, and that pace got the best of me. So Sarah was able to pass me out and doing everything. She usually moves a bit faster. She's a bit more nimble than me.
I like to challenge myself, so I kind of feel good say we got that down.
That was good for me. I know it burns up a lot of the calories and stuff, but the pace, I'm used to doing it at my own time and stuff, but during the training I had to do it at a much more faster pace, and then doing the other exercises right after, it eventually took some toll, but I'm glad I got through.
Bracing on the left, we'll stretch your hamstring, just push back. All right, good.
Okay guys, we'll be doing a full body workout today. Okay, so we are going to start with Ava. You're going to be doing overhead squat with a barbell, and Virgo, you'll be doing step squat on the ladder. Okay, so let's go. Step, Virgo, remember, in, over, right. Ava, keep going, Ava. Right down, Ava, right down, right down. Keep the chest up, Virgo. Chest up, chest up. We decided to do a full body workout, boot camp style. So it was a good workout. I mean, of course, Ava was full of attitude. Of course, she, you know, as usual, never want to push to her limit. So, but you know, she had to do it, because I tell her that, you know, if you really want this, you have to work for it. Ava, you have to squat in, squat, jump out, squat.
So we were doing squats. I think, at least I believe I got the hardest set because I'm doing the ladder and I have to do inside and outside.
If you want this, you have to work for it, you know. Come on, Ava. In, squats. Out, squats, Ava.
So it was a bit rough.
Ava. Come on, Ava, you're not trying. You need to try. Down. Ava. Come on, man. Ava.
Training intense, just the very same. Training intense, and I did a lot of cardiovascular workout, you know. Did a lot of burning, because with the little bad eating habits, I did have to double up, you know, in terms of the burning this week. I missed Friday, but I make sure say I catch up on the rest of the days. Then I put in the work because I wasn't feeling so good this week.
All right, keep going. Keep going. Do your face makeup, so? You have to do the work, you know, Ava. Ava. She was kind of holding. Berger said that she was holding him back. Ready?
My left ankle sprain, you know, so Ava approached a ladder like jump in, jump out and squat, jump in, jump out. I couldn't manage that on the ankle. Really couldn't manage it. So what coach did and RJ did was to improvise something different for me. Same squatting, but instead of the jumping to put the pressure on the ankle, she let me do a different routine. And then me now go say, coach asked Ava to speed it up a little bit now. Speed up what? That burger exercise not easier than my one. That shit gone.
So when you're making up your face, you have to do the exercise.
I don't have a problem with doing the exercise.
Yes.
But I'm not the person putting the pressure on you. And I said it's harder than it is.
What Bergerman didn't realize, or him never choose to realize, is that me doing the squats going down, I have more squats to do than what he's actually doing. So he got the lighter part.
Don't say I'm putting more pressure on you because I'm taking longer.
On me? You can't put pressure on me.
Bergerman said it.
Oh, you put pressure on him? And she was just complaining, wanted to leave and wanted to give up, and attitude and...
I have no issues with him. I just don't like when him annoy me.
She's really miserable. It is what you call it, a defense mechanism to keep off the other team from trouble her. Because them love trouble her about her 1 pound. So she just for everybody. But me not good, man. Me ever good.
5 more. Squat, Ava. You have to squat.
I am squatting.
Come on, man. I want to see you put more in it.
I argue first, but eventually I get everything done.
That was good. Good.
Okay guys, workout time again. We're going to be doing rope slam right here, hula hoop, we're doing step ups, tricep dips. We're going 30 seconds, we're going to switch each time. Ready? And go. Come on, flash it on, flash it on, flash it on. For each exercise that we did, all of the exercise was a bit hard, especially the tricep dips.
He tends to try to mix up the routines during the week. There's no given day that I go to the gym and it's the same thing. So for this week, he was trying to do some endurance with me. So we did the hula hoop, we did the steps. I did several sets of those. So for me, it wasn't that bad. I know for Jade it was, because that day when we were doing that routine at the gym, she wasn't there.
The tricep dip, that was okay. That one was okay. So it wasn't so bad. I haven't done that routine yet though. Kim got it, but I didn't get it. So I was nervous in how to attempt it. I didn't know how to execute that one. And I don't like feeling blank. I really don't like feeling blank. But I did it. I tried hard. Well, I gave it my best at the moment.
I think the training was a bit more difficult for Jade because she wasn't accustomed to doing it, especially the hula hoop, because we did triceps before in previous workouts. We do steps because we always try to get some cardio in,
But I think the most difficult part was the hula hoop for her.
Jade could have hula hoop so good, but Audrey helped her, you know, and I was showing her how to do it, and she was doing it a bit better.
Yeah. I know that Audrey can do her things. I knew that when she took up the hula hoop, she was going to go out with a bag of things and show way up.
I look up, Mr.
I wasn't surprised when she was doing it. Probably she lift up her foot and a go on, but I knew that she have her skills when it came to workout and the gymnastics and stuff like that.
Oh!
The hula hoop, everybody knows Jade does not hula hoop. She uses her neck and it goes around. Audrey showed me how to do it and try to control it.
Beginner's luck.
Come on, that is right.
Yes, I'm doing it.
So I think I managed fairly well, fairly okay, but I need more practice.
The rope slam, that was one of the hard ones for them. Because it worked shoulders, legs, abs, lower back. But they did it all right. Well, they were complaining a bit, but they did it.
It is now on my list of machines that I will not touch again.
When we get back, the contestants meet someone who is on a similar journey. If you need some motivation, don't move. Losing It will be back in a flash.